Hi guys, and in this video I am going to show you how to deactivate your Threads account. And if you are new to my channel, please consider subscribe and let's jump into video. First you need to open Threads in your mobile phone. Process is similar to both iPhone and Android. Then after, you can see there is a profile icon in bottom corner. Just tap on it. Sorry about that. Just tap on profile icon. Then after, you can see there is a two lines in top right corner. Just tap on it. Then go to down and select account here. Then you can see there is option called deactivate or delete, the third option. Just tap on it. Yeah, you can delete or deactivate your Threads account from here. If you use deactivate, it is temporary. Okay, it says your Threads profile like followers are not visible anyone until you reactivate. Okay, no one can see your profile, and this is temporary. You can anytime you can reactivate your account. And if you delete your account, it will be completely vanished after 30 days. Before 30 days you can reactivate and use it. Okay, so choose wisely. What you need to do is, according to this, you just tap on deactivate profile, then it will be deactivated. Okay, until you reactivate. Yeah, so this is how you can deactivate your Threads account. So if you gain some knowledge from this video, please consider subscribe and liking the video.